Hi mga ka-freelancers, this is Sir Tommy, na laging happy at busog ang Tommy. Ano nga daw ba ang work ng isang social media virtual assistant? So come work and play with me. Now, pag sinabi kasi nating social media virtual assistant, it has a very wide job description kasi pwedeng dalawa sa mga sasambitin ko or higit pa are combined. So, isa na dyan syempre ang pag-manage ng multiple accounts. Social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, at iba pa. Okay? So, syempre, hindi rin mawawala dyan ang content creation. Andyan ang brand awareness and marketing strategies, captioning, and graphic designing, and also reels, no? Video editing. Another thing, influencer outreach for usually lead generation. Kumukuha ka ng mga leads, sales, syempre, and for collaborations, ganyan. And then, audience engagement. So, syempre, we want them to comment yung message, ganyan, and like, share, para active yung ating audience engagement sa Facebook. Very important yan. Same thing with other platforms. Community management. Siyempre, you have to grow your community or group or followers organically. Importante yung organically kasi pag boosting, okay lang din naman. Kaya lang, baka pwedeng, may mga, di ba, dummy accounts and all that or spammer, ganyan. And then, we will also do analytics tracking. So, that's where you will assess your growth as a company or as an influencer and your progress to check them daily, weekly, or monthly, syempre, to serve as a basis for improvements and your analysis. Your analysis, hindi urinalysis, sorry na. And then, syempre, you will also do ads management, Facebook ads management, pwedeng Google ads management. Okay, so as you boost and get traffic for sales, for followers or subscribers, alin man dyan, you will manage that one to make sure you're increasing your, of course, sales and following and subscription. And then, what else? Scheduling of posts, merong calendar dyan. So, pwede kang gumamit ng iba't ibang tools. Kung meron kayong scheduling tool, okay yan. Like, pwedeng connected siya sa CRM, okay lang din yun. And then, Facebook has its own calendar. So, you can organize daily your target posts para active lagi. So, ma-achieve natin yung percentage na kailangan to reach certain levels sa Facebook naman. And then, pwede rin natin gawin ng competition research. Ito, ginagawa naman ito for market strategy, syempre, in the future, or pwedeng changes in the present project that you have. Maganda rin yan. Competition is good, as long as it's healthy. And then, ito importante ito, making hashtags. For this one, I will be making another vlog kasi napakahaba ng pwedeng makuha sa hashtag. So, thank you for watching. Again, please don't forget to follow and subscribe to our TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook page. Bye!